Hi, I'm Mike Garnett with Classic Metal Roofs in Stowe, Mass. A metal roof installation like the one pictured behind me may require a high wind installation similar to a Florida metal roof installation. If you live in a potentially high wind area, be sure you ask your contractor about the way the roof is fastened. It's really a critical issue. Don't believe a sales pitch that tells you they've got the best wind rating in the industry. Get the details. It's one of the most important pieces of information you could get about the installation of your metal roof.